Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making blueberry pancakes. Simple, easy, and delicious. So now I'm going to walk you over to the very basic ingredients. Very simple. I am sure you have the majority of these ingredients, and watch me whip this up so quick, and you will do the same thing too. So stick around as I walk over through these basic ingredients to get started. Right here I have 1 pint of fresh blueberries. Over here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I have 2 whole eggs, 1 cup and a half, or about 1 cup, depending, of whole milk. Depend how thick you want your batter to be. Right here I have my vanilla sugar. If you don't have this, which you should, I have a video on this, you can just simply use regular sugar and vanilla extract. Simple. And I have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and that's all you're gonna need to get this started. So simple, you can pretty much do with your eyes closed. Now with my dry ingredients, I'm just gonna give it a quick little stir just to combine everything that we have going on inside here. Now I'm gonna put in my vanilla sugar. Coffee or to make like treats like this, I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of sugar, my vanilla sugar, and it smells so fantastic. Pour in some milk, a little bit more milk. So in total I put about 2 cups, so it's roughly between 1.5 to 2 cups. You see how thick you like your batter. You don't want to overly mix it, but just enough to combine. Alright, next you want to put in your oil. This is going to make our batter nice and soft and fluffy. I'm going to start to put in the eggs. I'm going to crack it into a separate cup, just so that way, in case of an eggshell falls in, or if you get a bad egg. And then whisk together to combine. So once you finish whipping your batter and you see there's no more dryness, now you can put in your fresh blueberries. And then that's it. Now let's get to cooking. Using one of my favorite old pans, I am going to be putting in about a tablespoon of butter. And I'm going to let the pan melt it down. My butter has melted. I'm going to put in a ladle full of my pancake batter. Guys, on medium-high heat, about 2 to 3 minutes. You're going to wait until it reaches a nice golden brown. Then flip them again, and now you see it's all done. So now let's do a taste test. Now, how I like to eat my pancakes, usually when I make it homemade, I like to use some whipped cream, place it on top, some extra berries, and then that's it. I like to eat it super like simple, super delicious. I love me some homemade pancakes. As long as I have all of my ingredients, I make it. It saves me money. Really is delicious, guys. It's lightly sweetened. Lightly. You can taste the butter from when we cooked the pancakes in. The The blueberries are in season, so they're perfect. So you really don't need any syrup in it. And I'm just fine with this, just like this. Thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. You know it's always a pleasure of having you. Leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and visit me and follow in my social media sites. So take care. Bye-bye.